right today. We got done with the Tesla Model X clearbra'd, tint, and coating. All right, so starting with the front, we have the full front end clearbra'd completely. So that's the full bumper, the full hood, the full fenders, even the side mirrors. We did an EVS custom hood option with this, so no relief cuts, no seams on the hood whatsoever. Basically, we try to make it look as invisible as possible. Everything is hand trimmed, that way it's a perfect fit. And for the windows, we did Photosync 30 on the sides and the back. So pretty much the darkest legal you can do in Texas. As you can see, the front still look a little bit lighter than the back, and that's just because the back windows come dark from factory. But now at least all the windows are blocking heat. And this is what the back window looks like. It pretty much looks pitch black from the outside. And this is what the front windshield looks like. So we did Photosync 70, a lot clearer as you can tell, but the hue reduction for being so clear is incredible. Here's the interior view of the front windshield. Very clear. You can't even tell it's on there. Done in one piece as well, so there's no seam. And this is what it looks like on the side. So this is Photosync 30. That's what it looks like in the back, and that's the back window. So as you can see, it's a lot clearer looking out than looking in, which is good. And for the inside, all the white that you see have all been coated. It protects the interior from spills, stains, and things like that. And the cool thing with this too is that it'll also help with jean dye as well. So if you wear a lot of blue jeans, you'll notice over time with the bottom seat, you'll start seeing blue stains everywhere. With the coating, the jean dye won't get trapped into the seat so easily, so you can still clean it out. And for anyone else that's interested, we also offer certain coating packages that include not just the seats, but the carpets, the dash, the steering wheel even, and pretty much any other interior panels. Get your sagging sack out of here. Oh, you Stop. Shut up.
No, you already had enough.
Yeah. I was stuck. Asshole.
You already did. We only do that at nighttime.
What are you doing? What?
Oh my god, I swear to god.
You wanna go down, Will? You wanna go down?
Oh my god.
You wanna go down, Will? You wanna go down?
In desperate search for a mate, the gay male has finally found us. What does it say? Not double stack.
Dude, this thing is massive, man.
I like that.
So while Tyler messes with that,
Basically, while Tyler does the work,
you guys may recall not too long ago we took it in a Lamborghini Urus. We got the hood in.
one solid line across the whole hood.
Wow.
Hey, nice to see you. Psych! Wow, it's aggressive as hell.
That looks so plain compared to this now. I love the vents. You have one vent, two vents, and then you got four in the middle. And then you have the aggressive body lines everywhere.
Hey, you know how you have quality carbon component? Even the underside is finished.
And it's clear coated too.
Yep.
That is so nice. I can't wait for us to put this on the Urus. It's gonna be crazy.
You know something cool when you buy stuff that's real?
What?
Not from like Alibaba or, you know, you try to market as OEM or anything like that.
Right?
Bam, authenticity card. That way if somebody's like, bro, that's fake carbon, you can just be like, no, it's not.
That's aggressive, man.
It's aggressive as hell.
Just the way Haywood likes his hoods.
Yes. We're now gonna do the install and hopefully it goes well. We're done with the Vorsteiner Urux hood. I mean, this hood is super aggressive. It looks really freaking mean. And here's a bit of the close-up of the weaving so you guys can see it. I mean, like, just look at the body lines of the hood. Any angle that you look at it from just looks so mean. And let me show you guys what it looks like from the inside, just because the hood is so aggressive. You can see the vents from the driver's seat. So that's gonna be what the review is gonna look like when you're driving. You see this in your face. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on a car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.